In this video, I'll show you how to create a community group in WhatsApp step by step. This is one of the newest WhatsApp features that helps you manage multiple groups in one place. First, open your WhatsApp application. On the main screen, look for the Communities tab. If you don't see it, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Now, tap on the Communities option, which is in the bottom in middle, and then tap on Start a New Community. Then you will see Get Start. Click on that. This is where you begin creating your WhatsApp community group. Next, you need to add a name for your community. Choose a clear and relevant name so people can easily understand the purpose. After that, tap on the camera icon to upload a community image. You can select a photo from your gallery or take a new one. Once your image is set, click on the Create Community, then click on the Add Group. Go after that, click on the New Group, and type the group name and write a short description. This helps members understand what your community is about and improves organization. Now tap on the Add on the top in the right. Then you will see your group on your web. That's how to create a community group in WhatsApp easily.